Hey friends, it's Brenda here to show you how to face paint this tasty donut. If you want the fast demo version and a bonus donut, go to minute 2:17. For this design, you're going to need a light blue and dark blue, or whatever color you want to use, white, yellow, a number 12 filbert brush, and a number 1 round brush. Load your brush with your color. I'm using a dark and light blue. And then with your light color at the top, you're going to make a little baby rainbow, just little, and then you're going to follow it with a smile at the bottom. And sometimes I nail it, sometimes I don't, so if you didn't nail it quite, just give it a little adjustment. I'm using my light side. Then with the dark side of your brush, give your glaze a little drippy parts. Now take your number 1 round brush and we're going to add the cake part of the donut, and it's just a little sliver of yellow on the bottom. It's just a curved edge here. It's not huge. Then take your number 1 round brush again and we're going to outline the glaze with, I'm using dark blue, but whatever dark color you want to use. In the center here, just give it a little bit of a U shape with your dark blue. Optionally, you can outline the whole thing in white. If you don't do it like this, you don't have to. I would just outline the bottom yellow part with orange. And give it some highlights just to make it pop a little bit more. And then what we're going to do is we're going to embellish it a little bit more. I'm following this line right here and curving it up and around, giving it some swirls. And then some teardrops just to make it look fancy. It's a fancy donut. Here too, we're following that bottom line around with some teardrops to finish it off. And to make it even more fancy, I'm adding some dots. And this is all totally optional, of course. Now for the fast demo, for those who just want to see the process. After this one, I have another fast demo. I'm calling it the Donut Queen, so it's more like a mask. So stay tuned for that. If you've enjoyed this video, or if you have other things to share, please leave me a comment down below. Also, I would love to see your version of the donut, so follow me on Instagram at FacePaintFriends. You can tag me or send me a DM, and do all the things. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.